when something big is about to happen. And so we know that this is the next big things for us, is next big things for you, and is the next big thing for the market, for the network marketing industry, with a powerful proposition, ambitious proposition, a product line with no comparison, and a business model that is going really to blow your mind and the mind of the people that will join our company. Is a renewal company, new structure, really, you know, something that we are so proud to have prepared in the past few months, working 24 hours a day. As I told you before, since November, I've not been back home, and we really have worked over the clock to prepare behind the scene all what you're going to see today. So I will go through a very quick list of functionality. We just pick some of them. I mean, I don't want to stay here for 5 hours, you know, going on every single details. We just pick some of the most important that we believe that you need to know about this technology, so that you can judge by yourself why we are so excited, and why this is going to really change the speed of your business from tomorrow, not from next month or from next 2 weeks, from tomorrow or from today. The speed of your business, the dynamic of your business is going to drastically, tremendously change direction and change speed. So in the slide, you will see the icons on the logos on the bottom left corner of the slide. That is Vista and Icon. So when we put two of them, that means this feature is available for both models. Even you see just in the picture one of them, because of course we cannot, you know, put too many images in the same slide. So you see Vista and Icon, they will both have a built-in GPS. This is a GPS with a GLONASS technology, one of the most sophisticated and accurate and quick satellite tracking technology. So you will not need a smartphone. You will just need to carry the smartwatch with you, and you will be able to record all the GPS movement, your trace, your tracking, your I don't know, your fitness activities. Everything will be tracked directly from the GPS of the smartwatch. The second slide, it's one. This for me is one of the most important features. The Vista model is going to have 7 days, up to 7 days of battery life, and the Icon is going to have 10 days of battery life. So maybe someone that is not familiar with wearable technology or smartwatches may say, okay, so what's is so cool about having 7 days or 10 days of battery life? You're going to learn now why. First of all, for the Oracle AI platform, so the Vyvo Smart platform, it's really, really important to us that your smartwatch is up and running as much as possible, because we are collecting critical and important data from your biometrics in order to formulate your personalized nutrition and supplement. So it's absolutely important to us having the smartwatch always on and never off of your wrist for recharging. And you can, as you can see in the slides, it will take only 120 minutes to have 100% of recharge. So that means every once a week, you will need to recharge the smartwatch. So definitely you can sleep on it, you can keep always on, and so also the data for the blockchain will be much, much more consistent. And because, as you will learn in the next few slides, the blockchain is going to reward all the users just for collecting data. You will want the smartwatch always on. You will want the smartwatch always on the wrist collecting data, because you don't want to lose money because you are taking it off. Okay, so to give you an example, and I'm going to just make a very quick legal disclaimer. The information that I'm going to give are not from my personal opinion, but are taken from the official source of the competitors or their affiliate website or blogs or support websites. Apple Watch, for example, is providing about 18 hours of battery life. Okay, so 18 hours is not even a day. That means every night you need to recharge the smartwatch, and then the morning after you can use, and then the night you need to recharge, and then you need to go and keep recharging the smartwatch every single day. So you understand very well what that means for a technology, for a wearable technology, to be on your wrist when you're sleeping, when you're showering, when you do every kind of activity, and never taking off from your wrist. A Samsung a smartwatch usually is about 2 days of battery, 48 hours of battery. Only Fitbit is close to Vista with 4 days of battery life. None of them, they come close to our smartwatch. Of course, guys, I'm talking about real smartwatch. I'm not talking about the toys that are circulating in the market, where you may find that 30 days battery life. Yes, because there is maybe one LED just illuminating the screen, pretending to be a smartwatch. So I'm talking about real stuff. Polar, Garmin, all this kind of Huawei, we're all talking about like 2 days, less than 2 days battery life. So this is a big selling point for our technology, and it has been designed to collect data continuously. So it's been designed in this way. Someone can think that, okay, so to have 10 days battery, I guess that this is very ugly and bulky and thick kind of smartwatch, because you need to put a very big battery. As you see in this image, the battery is only 250 milliampere per hour, and is not impacting on the thickness of the smartwatch. That is, it's if I'm not wrong, around 12 millimeters, 12, 13 millimeters. So similar to the Apple Watch, similar to the Fitbit and other smartwatch. So we have to keep the design and the style of the watch in a really, really nice shape. Of course, I'm wearing it. I'm not sure if you can see from the camera. So it's really a beautiful design, very slim. So I go to the next slide. I think this is one of the features that many of you was waiting for. Our watches are IP68, so completely swim-proof. You can swim in the pool, in the ocean, in the sea, wherever you want to swim, you can swim. The IP68 define what is the capability of a device, electronic device, to resist to dust and environmental condition, and then also, of course, to the swim and the waterproof. Where officially the IP68 is for immersion to maximum 1.5 meters. In our case, the watch has been tested up to 50 meters. So, I mean, if someone wants to dive with this smartwatch, you can really use it in a professional way on a very deep immersion. We also bring on the watch a lot of functionality about swim. And here I just go back to what I mentioned at the beginning. We are opening the watch and this technology to brand new market segments. So all the functionality related to sport and activities, they are presenting in a professional way with professional algorithms and an approach where you can go in the market and compare it with the leaders of the fitness and sport application like Fitbit or Polar or Garmin. You will learn, and I will guarantee you, when you will get this product in your hand or actually on your wrist, you will learn and you will understand that the functionality that they are inside, they are nothing less. And when I say nothing less, I can tell you louder, nothing less than any other competitors on sport and fitness. And you guess what? Our product is not even made for sport and fitness. It's just ours, a wellness and health watch, but because we want to be in that market professionally and with the objective to become one of the most innovative, influential technology company in the world, we decided to really invest a lot on the functionality that can really be competitive with the leaders of the market of the sport and fitness watch. For this reason, Sorry, I just jumped one slide. Okay, so for this reason, in a few moments, you will see other slides that are related to the fitness and sport activity. One of the other functionality that we want to bring to your attention is the smart vibration and warning, which you know as a guardian. So in the ELO, you already know Guardian is one of our top features, is the capability of the watch to create notification when some of your biometers like heart rate, blood pressure, or breath rate are out of range, and so you can get a notification on the smartphone. Now you will get this notification directly on the smartwatch, so you can see on the screen. But the same functionality has been extended to also deliver other kind of notification. For example, social media notification, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Line, WeChat, wherever kind of social or messaging can be handled directly from the smartwatch. I use one very simple smart notification every day. I used to take a medication for diabetes every day. And believe me, so many years, but always remember, I always forget to take at the exact time my medicine. So I set up a smart notification every time I need to get my medicine. My wrist start to vibrate, and then I have the notification say, don't forget to get your metformin, or wherever is the medicine that you have to get. So this is very cool features. We like it very much. And of course, we have also introduced a don't disturb option, because we realized that during the night I was receiving so many messages that I cannot sleep with my watch on the wrist, so I have to disable all of them with a not disturb option. Of course, the watches can record biometrics 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because that is our concept. We need to collect data for your Oracle AI and for the blockchain. This is some of the example of how the information will be presented directly on the watch and not anymore on the app. Okay, that is a big advantage. I mean, you don't need to get always your app and go through it and see all your measurement, but you can get directly on the smartwatch in a very nice graphic. You know, the smartwatch is HD, IPS, super bright display. It can project, I mean, you can see very clear images also exposed directly to the sunlight. Okay, and here we are on the slide that I mentioned before. We have over 17 exercise mode. We say 17 plus exercise mode, from running, cycling, snowboarding, fast walk, skiing. I mean, there are over 17 different sport modes that the watch is managing and is running in a professional way with the, I would say, clinical grade kind of results that you can experience doing your sport, if wherever you are passionate in fitness, or wherever you just do fitness for keep your healthy, or even if you are professional. If you are professional sporter or fitness, you will really enjoy the functionality that we build into this technology. Some of them, for example, is 7 different running modes that goes from free mode, CPAT mode, fat burning mode, aerobic modes. So if you are something like a pro, you will enjoy the functionality as a pro. I'm not a pro, and I was asking to my engineer, what is a CPAT? I thought it was a kind of running to go over and chasing your pet. But then I said, no, it's not that. You don't need to run to chase your pets. So, I mean, you can use it really from amateur or from professional, and it will enjoy this functionality. So you now understand why, when I said before, this will be an object of desire for many young people, sport people, and so any kind of segment. The other functionality which I'm particularly proud is the sleep fitness and sleep tracking. We have upgraded our current algorithms that are running on Hilo with a scientific assessment of the sleep quality. That means that the analysis of the sleep quality is incredible precise, with information not just about your deep sleep, light sleep, and numbers of wake up like you have in Hilo today, but there will be a deep analysis of your sleep with a score and with conclusion that will be used by the Oracle AI to formulate even more precise solution and supplement. So I like very much this functionality. A lot of watches and smart band in the market, they have a sleep analysis, but believe me, I mean, having a professional and a scientific based kind of sleep analysis is something really different, because sleep is a very important part of your health management, and we can really play on analysis that are not accurate as the one that we are already providing on Hilo, but now we are switching at the next level. We move now with to some of the more specific features of Icon. Icon, again, we use this claim, the most advanced health watch in the market. When we talk about health watch, we're talking about a smart technology, wearable technology that is not just a wellness or a watch, but has some specific functionality that make it very suitable for the health and self-care management. And again, with the precious information that our Oracle AI will use to formulate your NutraPack. I go straight to one of the very innovative and unique features of the Icon, that is the GSR sensor. With the GSR sensor, we are able to conduct a BIA analysis. The BIA analysis is based on a bioelectrical impedance measurements that allows the watch continuously in real time to gather information like body mass index, fat, moisture rate, muscle mass, bone weight, basal metabolic rate, visceral fat, intracellular water, cardiac and heart condition evaluation, stroke risk evaluation, hydration, and many more. That is an amazing features. I was yesterday talking to our doctor from Xfinity Live, Dr. Diego, and he was telling me, you know, this is a very expensive kind of analysis. I mean, if you want to buy an equipment that is able to run this kind of analysis, you really need to spend a lot of money, or you have to go into, I think the mic, or you have to go into a specific healthcare provider in order to get this kind of analysis. Of course, the information provided by the watch have to be used by the users as an indication to be evaluated with their own physician or healthcare provider or fitness coach. So the information provided by the Icon will never be substituting any physician or healthcare provider suggestion or recommendation, or change of any treatment in your medication. The other very interesting features would be a dynamic heart rate monitor. That means that the heart rate monitor is not only 24 hours always on. So it's not like you remember in the Hilo, it's a schedule every hours or every 2 hours or every 30 minutes. Here you have a continuous heart rate and dynamic monitors. The dynamic is because this monitor will be able to create a zone of where your heart rate and what kind of activity you're having with the HR max, with the 6 different zone of heart rate. But the other very interesting features of the dynamic heart rate will be that we could detect atrial fibrillation not on demand, but directly from the sensors, so from the reading of your heart rate. You will see this in the next slide. The other feature that we cannot miss, of course, for a health watch is the ECG monitoring. This is a clinical grade ECG monitoring, and we use a special cardio alert neural network algorithms. This is a nice way to say artificial intelligence again. but of course it's an artificial intelligence-based kind of algorithm. It's called CardioLearn, so that your EKG or ECG can be not only monitored, but also analyzed by the AI to get an assessment of up to 5 different arrhythmias conditions. So this is a really very important feature from a health watch run at the clinical grade. And just for a small disclaimer, the feature may not be available in some countries. So you will learn the numbers of countries from our next presentation and documentation. Say that I also want to remind you that the Vyvo App Store will provide a third-party application that they will be available for the different functionality. So the application will be always under the terms and conditions of their developers. So it will depend on which country they will be available or not. Okay, here is again this slide, the atrial fibrillation detection. I believe this is a life-saving kind of feature. Also, Apple Watch has this functionality, the Apple Watch Series 4. They have this functionality on the EKG measurement. And recently I was reading a story of someone that have saved his life because Apple Watch was able to detect an atrial fibrillation in time. But then when I was reading between the line of the testimonial, I was just learning that the guy, the users, he actually had to perform a manual EKG, putting the finger on the watch, measuring their EKG, then send for the analysis, and then he knew that it was in atrial fibrillation. And that is cool. I mean, if you are managing to do an on-demand measurement, is cool. But what about if the atrial fibrillation can be detected in real time during the normal functionality of the watch? So the watch is reading continuously your heart rate, the signal is sent to a special algorithm on the cloud, and in case of detection of atrial fibrillation, you will get an immediate notification on the smartwatch that an atrial fibrillation may have detected. So again, this feature may not be available in some countries, so you will learn the numbers of countries, a list of countries that will be available for the atrial fibrillation detection. Okay, I want to go to the next slide, but I want to do some introduction before we bring into the watch a functionality, a feature that I particularly personally like. I was one of the engineer that have proposed this technology. I think that never like today, this feature is so important and is so actual that it's making our Icon and Vista the most advanced smartwatch in the market. It's an air quality monitor. So you may ask, what is an air quality monitor? 92% of the world population is exposed to harmful effect of the air pollution. You know, this is a very actual discussion and theme that everybody in the world is today discussing. And we really need to be able to start to think about protecting their future health from the invisible PM 2.5 pollutants that are increasing the risk of heart disease, lung disease, and long-term chronic disease that all are connected to the poor air quality that we breathe every day. So what Icon and Vista are doing, they are providing to you real-time information about the air quality around you. Okay, you heard correctly. It's going to provide you real-time information that are receiving and combining from public high air quality sensors that they are constantly getting this information and share with you on the screen of the Vyvo, Vista, and Icon, and is giving to you not only the condition of the air, like a normal, good, just regular or moderate or unhealthy or very unhealthy. So there will be a scale of index and numbers and colors that will give you the indication about how the air quality around you is today in this moment. The air quality and pollution situation is a dynamic thing. So it changes every hours. It changes by the weather condition, it changes by the wind, it changes by the day of the week. So it's a very dynamic information. And we're not only giving to you the index, but we're also giving to you what pollutants are responsible for that particular state and quality level of the air, so that you can understand if this is going to create to you allergy problem, or is going to, you know, create to you some particular intolerance to that kind of pollutants. So you may say, okay, so what is for me to know what air quality level is today? I'll tell you very straight. It's very easy. If today the air quality is bad, I probably should give up my fitness session, or maybe I should choose to not stay outside or in the environment that has that kind of air quality for too long. And this might sound okay. So what I can do? That is tremendous. You can reduce over 50% and even more your exposure to the air quality, the bad air quality, just knowing that that air quality is not good to be breathed in that particular moment. So this, for me, guys, is a tremendous functionality. And you know what? Before, when we mentioned that this is the most advanced wearable technology in the market, we also know that once you would go out there with this presentation, and this I can guarantee you, I already know what is going to happen. The people you will talk with, they will come to you and say, okay, so what's the difference with the Apple Watch? That will be the first question you will receive from people. And then you can choose to just pick a couple of, or 3 or 4 of these features, or you can give a full list of features, or you can just show the product, or you have like dozen of argument and dozen of functionality and features that you can share, you can communicate to the people to answer this first question that you will receive the moment that you will share this information. Smartwatch right now is very hot. Last year, the 5 brands together, they sold 15 million units, which it's ridiculous numbers, guys. We have 7 billion people in the earth, and 15 millions is indicating that this is just the beginning of a new technology era, and we are positioning ourselves just in front of the curve of the next big things, just in front of the curve of next growing phase for this kind of technology. It's the same when a smartphone was launched in 2006, 2007. That is exactly the same moment. So we want to be in front of the curve, and we want to play in the big league. We want to play in the first league, and we're going to play with the big guys. In order to play with the big guys, we need to have a solid, real argument to demonstrate that our technology is not a toy. Okay. Nowadays, a lot of companies, small companies, even network marketing companies, very small companies, they're trying to come in the market with a similar technology, or anyway, smartwatches. And I guarantee you that when you will see this technology, you will just realize that's the next toy that is in the market. So we want to be in the market in a very serious way. Our vision is to be the most innovative, one of the most innovative technology and influential company in the market. And to do that, we need to do this kind of stuff. We need to come with technology that is able to calculate and give you information about air quality. Technology that can truly be influential for your life. And so you can see that everything I'm saying now in this conference, in this presentation, they're all strictly connected to the vision of the company. Every single thing that you see, every single features, everything single positioning is all in the direction to bring our company towards that vision. I'm going to go into the next feature for the icon. This feature is it's really for, how to say, the Asian market. but more and more people in the Western part of the world, they start appreciating the Chinese medicine. This is called the Bianchi's pulse wave diagnostic. It's a technique that is used in China and all the rest of Asia in the past 2,000 years. This is not something made by magician or by strange kind of physician. This is in the official medicine. You can go to a clinic and a hospital, you can go to a normal physician, and they can perform to you the pulse wave diagnostic with a very precise and scientific based information and methods that they are using to make an assessment of the energy status of 12 of the vital organs of your body. What we have done, and here actually is a professor from Russia that have developed an algorithm that is going to recreate the same condition of the original manual pulse wave diagnostic using our sensors. With an amazing accuracy, we will be able to provide you the level of status of energy of your organs, again, just as personal indication and information, not to be made to change your lifestyle or to change your medication that have to be done by your physician and your doctor. But just imagine having information about one of your organs that is out of the energy level. You can just go to your doctor and say, look, my technology, my pulse wave diagnosis is telling me that my liver level is very low. What costs to make a check with your doctor and see if you may, improve your quality of life and your health. So this feature is going to be only on Icon, and it will be available only on select markets. And here it's the blockchain technology. Again, what I said before, we are going to create one of the first blockchain technology platform that are oriented for the data exchange within the healthcare and medical research sector. This is one of the very first projects that is using the blockchain technology in the healthcare space, and is already receiving a lot of appreciation from the healthcare sector, and everybody is waiting to really start to use this exchange platform. So what is for you? For you, there is a very amazing things. First of all, you will participate to the providing of the data to the research sector, the healthcare sector. These are precious, very precious data. Of course, we're talking about anonymous data. Your privacy, it's our maximum and most important commitment. So when we talk about securing data and exchange data platform, we are talking about anonymous biometrics that will be used by the research sector for new drugs discovery, new treatment discovery, and probably new invention into the healthcare sector. So because you are providing this data, anonymous data, we are going to reward you. So we are going to create a reward program. You can see on the slide here, you will be able to monitor every day how many blocks you're producing and how many VYC you are producing. I guess someone may just guess what VYC is a stay for, but I don't want to go in more details because we will have a specific forum in the very near future about, it will be a forum and seminary where we will officially, formally introduce the blockchain technology and our reward plan for all the users that are using the Vyvo smartwatch and wearable technology, and also a reward plan for all the members that are promoting our technology. So we are very proud to be the very first wearable technology that is is using blockchain technology. And I want to make just a quick remark. This is nothing to do with this kind of app or a blockchain Fanta game where you have steps and you earn coins or things like that, or the power of your smartphone is creating coins. Is nothing about that. Here it's very simple. We collect anonymous data. We put on a data exchange platform in the healthcare and medical research sector, and the people will buy and exchange data, and this money will be just used to reward you. Okay, so it's very simple, no speculation. There will be no any kind of magic coin that is going to create a volume and appreciation. That will be just money received from the data and money that will be shared among the users of our wearable technology. The last features, and we cannot miss these features. All the big brands have this feature on board. Okay, I'm sure you heard about Apple Pay, you heard about Samsung Pay, you heard about Fitbit Pay, and now Android Pay or Google Pay, and now Vyvo Pay. Okay, so if you want to be in that kind of ground field, if you want to play that league, you must have everything on board. You must have everything the others is providing and more, and much more. So Vyvo Pay, what is special about Vyvo Pay? If you compare with Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Fitbit Pay, Vyvo Pay your commission. So none of the other pay is paying you any commission. This is a smartwatch that pay you, and you can get commission. You can get your commission on the watch, and you can spend your money directly on the POS. Now all the shops, all the merchants, they have a wireless POS. So as you just put your card, your wireless card, now you just put your watch. You don't need to carry any wallet, any cards. Just have your watch, and you can pay in any shop using immediately your commissions. So this is a magic features. The Vyvo Pay platform is under development right now. So this feature may not be available in the first version of this and Icon. And when I talk about the first version, I'm talking about the version that will be available in the next few weeks. So I want to be very clear that the expectation must be created in the correct way. So you have to know these features is under development, but it's already been tested. So it's just that we want to catch now the production line for the next few weeks, 15 of May, without any delay. So we were thinking that these features is just okay to wait for the next production round. Okay, we will now go through very quickly the biosense that becomes sense. But I will not really spend much time here because everybody already know biosense. So what we did is just add a touch screen, high definition touch screen display that will give to the biosense the same platform where the rest of the watches are working. Also, the Sense is a blockchain-enabled smartband. So same concept. You can see on the screen here, you don't see only your heart rate, you see also your lifestyle index, then you see your blockchain numbers of blocks created. Sense is waterproof, so EP67, you cannot go too deep, but you can still swim in the swimming pool, in the sea, in the ocean. We also have the messaging capability, caller ID messaging from social media, WhatsApp, Messenger, SMS, wherever it can be delivered through the screen of the Sense. Functionality are more or less the same as the smartwatch, so I will not go again through the all single features. Of course, the Sense is 24 hours, 7 days biometric recording. So it will be always keep recording data. Battery life is more than 10 days. Okay, so more than 10 days battery lives, as we already announced with the Sense. Is equipped with an EKG monitor. Okay, so ECG monitoring with the AI analysis, same platform of the Icon. Okay, same platform of the Icon, same capability. I make just a very quick remind here. Vista, that is a wellness device, has no EKG. Icon is the health device, has EKG. Sense also have an EKG. You will have on only 2 days a beautiful brand new website with all details about the technology and a comparison table between Vista, Icon, and Sense. Okay, the watch you're seeing, Alessandro, in the slides is showing its beautiful Vista. On the Vista and Icon, we will also have a beautiful Milano mesh. It's a magnetic mesh, stainless mesh that would be really beautiful and make it fashion in 3 colors: black, silver, and rosé gold. So that for women, for people who want to have a little bit more fashion appeal of the smartwatch, that would be this option available into the offering. It's a really beautiful band. We're so excited about this product, guys. Really, this is one of the big selling points, and especially for network marketing, when you have a product that someone want to have, someone want to buy and desire. I mean, I'm seeing people that when they see the product and say, how can I get one? And you know, this is the magic word for network marketing. Not to pitch the product, not to spend an hour to explain or to tell the story of the product, but having someone look at your smartwatch and say, wow, beautiful. This is really a wow, how can I get one? That's his job is done. You're going to create a massive momentum when you will be able to go out there and attract the attention of people that when they look at your technology, they will see, wow, I want to get one. Because guys, believe me, and the way you will put your hand on this technology, you will see how beautiful, how good the style, the fashion, the material, the quality of the materials, the functionality, the user experience is going to be on this watch that you will just want to wear and share this technology with other people and say, look, you should have one of these. And we're going into a market where, again, only 15 million units sold worldwide by Apple Watch, where you get more than 50% of the market. So here are some of the features that third party is going to propose for the Sense on the Vyvo App Store. So you see heart rate, continuous heart rate, blood pressure, fatigue, mood, and I don't want to go in details. I mean, this is all the stuff you already know about the Hilo, our technology, our platform. There will be new features in development from our developer, like the falling detection, hydration, and other cool features that we'll be able to download on your smartwatch or your band. Here's the last product of the line is Leggera. Leggera, as I told you, is a smart scale connected to internet directly. And this scale is really smart. It's able to detect automatically 10 family members only by jumping on the plate. So you go on the plate, the scale will detect who is the members of the family, and the information that is collecting is going directly to your application. So you will get this information directly on the application, okay? And you can start tracking all your progress or your regress. So you will have all the information available every day. You just jump on it. The data goes in the application. You can monitor, you can set up your goals. And of course, this will be a precious data for the Oracle AI to create more and more personalization for the NutraPack. As I mentioned before, the scale is not only taking your weight, but it's also doing another 8 important part of basic body health to date, which is the bone weight, the visceral fat, body mass index, basal metabolic rate, muscle mass, fat, moisture rate, and many, many others. And again, this is amazing information that will be used by the Oracle to create your reports. So the potential of the biometrics is becoming even more predominant in our Oracle, since that the Oracle will use more biometrics than DNA and then assessment. So the biometrics probably will jump to 50% of the Oracle, and the rest will be 30% DNA, 20% assessment. So the biometrics will become more and more important for our personalization. And this is the reason why I say it, that in the future, we will have more products that will be able to collect data, that will be able to provide more information for your health, environmental condition, and so that we can really go to next level of personalization. The accuracy is amazing. Just a glass of water can be perceived with less than 100 grams of variance into the accuracy. So you can see here how beautiful is the lineup of the products with the Icon, Vista, Sense, and Leggera. This is our technology offering. This is our technology position in the market. And this is our message to the market to tell everybody that we are in the market with amazing technology. We are in the market with unique, advanced technology that will allow us to be positioned into the top league on the, you know, the most important games where all the technology companies are playing today. And again, for the vision that we have, we could not have this kind of technology in order to be credible and in order to share with you a realistic vision that can really be achieved in the next 5 years. The next slide is a comparison table. I really wanted to show and create these slides because I really want to let you and give you the opportunity to truly evaluate and understand the potential of our business proposition and why we are so excited by the fact that we are going to create a next momentum in our company and a big storm into all network marketing industry, because what we are doing here, it's real. What we are doing here, it's massive, and it's a tremendous, incredible. I've created this comparison table with the 5 most important wearable technology. Okay, we pick Apple Watch 4, Samsung Active, Fitbit Versa, Polar M600, and Huawei GT, and Fitbit Charge 3. So all the latest technology available in the market. And you can see our product positioning in terms of price. Now, what I want to say is, and what I want to ask you is, for a moment, just for a moment, pretend that our smartwatch and smartband has just the simple features that all the competitors have: fitness and sport. Okay, fitness, sport, someone is doing more things like messaging. The Apple Watch have something more like an EKG. Polar have a lot of sport mode and sport professional applications. So and Fitbit also, of course, is sport and fitness tracking. So just imagine that our watch right now is just simple as these watches in the market. And these are the 5 companies. That is also, of course, Garmin. Okay, there was not much space in the slide to put everybody, but the other one is Garmin. So just imagine that our technology, our proposition is just simple as that one. Okay, and with this price point, with our network marketing power and our network marketing powerful offering and the army of 1,000 and 100,000 of people around the world that are promoting our products, you don't think that you're going to sell our product like crazy, just pretending that is the same simple features of the rest of the smartwatch available in the market. So just add to it all the functionality and features that you have just seen, all the uniqueness that you have just seen in our technology, and then mix them with our unique concept of the Oracle AI and personalized nutrition, and then we will have the perfect mix of an explosive proposition for the network marketing and the entire direct selling industry. I'm not telling this to as I celebrate ourselves or our products, but I'm just saying what is in front of my eyes and what I'm putting in front of your eyes. I mean, amazing technology that's at the, you know, at the slow gas, it can compete with all the rest of the wearable technology in the market. So just imagine, just push the gas, switch the gear to the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth gear, and then you will win the race. So we have this in front of us. And now you're going to see also with this new biometrics, with this new capability and functionality of the wearable technology, including the new measurement, the new sensors, the smart scale, how this new biometric is going to dramatically, drastically, tremendously impact our Oracle AI and personalized nutrition proposition to the market. So, you know that the smart technology, the biometrics is the key point, the key player of the Vyvo Smart platform. So it's a platform where the wearable technology meets artificial intelligence and genetics that allow you to improve your life goals, create a personalized action, nutrition, supplement plans. So the artificial intelligence is using your real-time biometrics data, combine it with your DNA report, health assessment test, and then it will produce a personalized NutraPack. We are at the 6th round of the NutraPack, and this has been amazing. People are receiving formulation that every month is different, that every month is changing, is evolving, and is going to next new level because the Oracle AI is learning and learning every time he calculates new and he receives new data. So now I'm going to introduce you a big news for our personalized and precision nutrition. Because of the biometrics is bringing to the AI brand new category of data. This new category of data are the BIA, the bioelectrical parameters. They are the air quality. There are a lot of information about your body assessment, so your weight, your fat, your body mass, and all this information. The AI will be able to create more combination, more personalization of your nutrition. So you know that the Vyvo Smart proposition, it will be into this is called Vyvo Smart Box. It's a box that everybody will receive to start the business and to start the journey into the personalized nutrition, where one of the big news for this kit and box will be that it will not give you only 1 month of subscription pro with your first NutraPack personalized, but it will also give you an experienced NutraPack. So it's a 10 days, NutraPack is a generic one, is made by a combo of vitamins and a supplement that will be used for energy boost. But we want to give you the opportunity to demonstrate and use the Easy Melt technology. I mean, this technology to supply supplement through a 1.5 gram, which is less than an ounce of powders that can be taken without water, directly on your tongue with maximum absorption. So the AI will analyze and design your personalized solution using all this brand new data. And I'm going to tell you now how the new data will influence and will impact the NutraPack formulation. Okay, you know that right now we're using almost 30 different active and non-active ingredients in our NutraPack formulation. And so we will add more. As I promised to many of our leaders and people that was asking both to Diego, to Jorge, and to myself, what about the formulation? What about the numbers of ingredients? And then I say more information, we will have the biometrics, more ingredients we will be able to put into the NutraPack. So the first news is that from May, the AI will be able to introduce the night NutraPack, okay? We needed to have some tune-up and adjustment of the AI algorithms to be able to be more precise on the sleep NutraPack. Because, you know, many of the vitamins that are already into the NutraPack are able to address the sleep issue. So we was waiting to see some data from the AI, how the sleep was improving. And so now we are ready from May. In case the AI decide that your sleep is not good enough, no good quality, too much wake up, too less deep sleep, then you will receive also the night pack together with the day pack. But now the most important, I would like to spend just a few minutes, is how amazing the personalization, the personalized nutrition will become with the new wearable technology. Because this new data, and here there are some examples, you know, allow us to understand when to give you omega-3, or when to give you curcumin, or when to give you Q10, or magnesium, or sage extract, or soy infosolubilase. So there are so many other elements. This is just a group of brand new components that will come into our formulation. But there is one that I'm going to show in the next slide, that many of you will receive as a surprise. Receive as a surprise because now is the, you know, it's kind of marketing moments where everybody's talking, everybody see the big market, the big boom, the big next billion-dollar opportunity. We all recognize these things. I mean, the amazing benefit of the product that I'm going to introduce now. But it's also true that there is a lot of misleading information, a lot of untrue information, and most of the people are offering the same kind of product. I mean, this was an incredible opportunity. So we believe that into the concept of the personalized AI formulation, we can really make the difference into another area that we believe we should stay, and we should propose our personalized nutrition pack. So this will be the first AI-driven CBD THC personalized formulation with herbal adaptogens. Okay, you can see here AI-driven CBD THC. CBD and THC are the abstract from the cannabis, or the hemp. It's called, say hemp in English, right? Cannabis. Yeah, the heps. Okay, anyway, the cannabis. Sorry for sometimes my English, I'm missing some of the word in my vocabulary. Anyway, the CBD and THC, of course, the CBD now is being regulated in most of the country, like in United States, Canada, Europe. Recently, we just learned that even Thailand have just legalized the CBD distribution. The THC is only in a few countries. Enormous benefit from these new two components that we cannot miss. I mean, if we talk about giving the opportunity for people to improve their health and to live longer, we cannot miss this component into our personalized solution. It won't be just a CBD like you can find in any shop or in any market. You just buy the oil and you buy these drops. No, this will be personalized by AI. It will be the AI to decide if you are to get this, what kind of dose and what kind of modality. Okay, this is another big revolution that we will introduce in our NutraPack personalized AI solution. But it's not just a normal thing. So you know that the CBD is delivered with oil, because the particular composition of the CBD it can only be delivered through the lipid, because with the lipid, then you can have the protection of the molecule of the CBD in order to arrive to the bloodstream. So most of the product in the market, they are through the oil, so lipid, but we have just acquired, and I was in Rome a few weeks ago, where I signed a contract exclusive license worldwide for this technology. It's called liposome technology. For the first time, will be possible to deliver CBD. It's called CBD SSD Tech. Okay, it's a nanotechnology that is able to use water. Okay, so forget about oil, forget about drops. It just will be a water kind of base solution that can be just spray like few puff on your mouth, and we will have over 70–80% more absorption in the bloodstream in only 3 minutes. This is going to be a revolution into the CBD entire industry. And again, think about it, think about the vision, okay? Innovative and influential. We cannot just think to get a CBD product, get in our formulation, AI formulation. We say, no, if we're going to get CBD into our NutraPack formulation, I need to have a special technology. We need to be innovative. So this is a patent. Okay, this is so listen to me. This is a patent technology. So no one in the world right now can deliver CBD through water. Okay, so with 80% of efficiency, 3 minutes in the bloodstream. So we will need a less dose of CBD to have the same effect of any other product in the market. That means that our CBD can be 6–7 times cheaper than any other products you find in the market. Okay, so, and not only cheaper, it will be most effective. This is all documented in our patent. It's all documented with the clinical trial. We will make available all the clinical trial that is going to show and prove to you that this technology has been proven by clinics, hospital, and scientists. And there will be a big surprise. The biggest World Health Organization members into the CBD area and space is going to endorse our technology. So you will have a big surprise in this area, because you will see the World Health Organization member. I cannot mention the name right now because we're still under NDC. So we will get a big, huge endorsement about this technology as the unique company that will be able to deliver CBD with nanotechnology in a coated liposome, able to deliver in 3 minutes in the bloodstream with 80% or more efficient delivery system. Here you can, if some of you have read the slide, the test on the slide, you can see what happened with the normal CBD delivery, what happened with our CBD delivery. Usually 60–70% will be in dispersion due to the first pass effect. The first pass effect means that the component goes through the gastrointestinal stage of your digestive system, and 60–70% will be dispersed there. We go through the tongue directly into the bloodstream in only 3 minutes. So this is an amazing, I'm so excited about this product, guys. I'm really excited because I see what the industry is doing with this product. And imagine to have the CBD with nanotechnology directly into the AI formulation for your NutraPack. So stay tuned about this news. It will be really amazing. And there will be no competitors, no competition also in the CBD industry. So now you understand, and I hope you really understand why we're so excited and why we believe that this is going to be the next big thing into the entire network marketing industry. Never done before, artificial intelligence, wearable technology, and nanotechnology to deliver CBD. And again, guys, this is a scientific-based kind of technology. We are not here to tell bullshit or to tell a beautiful story. We will publish the patent, the clinical trial, the endorsement for the World Health Organization member, and you will be just blown away by this technology. So our process and innovative concept, it's really simple. It's 3 steps. And I like this slide because I say, oh my God, this is 3, you can describe what we're doing in one slide. Data collection, so from Vyvo, wearable and technology device. DNA testing kit, so we can analyze your genetic footprint, and then a Smart Life CBD THC based kind of NutraPack formulated by artificial intelligence based on your biometrics and your genetic data. Guys, that is the project. The data collection, DNA testing, Smart Life with CBD, THC, NutraPack based kind of technology. What are we going to market all of this with tools, marketing tools, advanced marketing tools. One of them is a brand new app. The brand new app will allow you to use all the wearable technology in one app. Okay, all the watches, the smart band, the scale, even the scale will be on the same app. So all your data, all your measurement, or your real-time result will be just on one app. You don't need to get crazy about downloading multiple apps for multiple features of the wearable technology. On the 18th of April, you will see the new Vyvo website. It's a beautiful website with all the product description, functionality, videos, video tools, and of course, there will be the Vyvo pay plan. So it will be a Vyvo smart app. It will connect the watches, Sense, and Leggera all in one. Brand new website, of course, mobile oriented, and with all information about this amazing technology. Release date will be April 18, and it will be available initially in English, and in only a few days there will be all our branch office like Taiwan, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, USA, Europe, Russia. They all will start the translation process to make it available for the local markets. This is just a quick video about the opportunity. This is just to give you some sense of what kind of tools we are creating and giving and making available in the next few days.
Are you happy with your current job and financial status? Or have you been searching for a plan B? Do you really have a chance of achieving your dreams? Are you going to need a new opportunity to make it happen? Well, if you think you deserve more in life, then Vyvo's opportunity is definitely for you. What makes Vyvo's opportunity truly disruptive and extremely successful is simple. The fastest growing markets worldwide, great products with real market demand, an easy customer referral program that is completely free to join, a lucrative compensation plan, the most exciting instant bonuses in the industry. Everyone knows how technology has been changing the world and everything around us. And anybody can see the impact of technology has been drastically improving health and wellness, becoming the next big thing. Right now, new markets are branching out and exploring in the fields of real-time monitoring and personalized healthcare. And with Vyvo, for the first time, this incredible market is not just a privileged business area for a few big companies, but it becomes wide open for business for everybody. Vyvo lets their satisfied and loyal customers spread the word, and in exchange, Vyvo shares its profits with their customers. Yes, you heard that right. Vyvo is an innovative company that shares its profits with its customers through the Customer Referral Program. The program is not only lucrative and straightforward, but it is also 100% free to join. Every customer that purchases a product from Vyvo can become a Vyvo member for free and receive a personal replicated website and store. When you join, you register a username with the system, and this username is used to create your personal web link. When you share this personal web link with others, Vyvo will pay you an instant 10% of any sale generated. That's right. Vyvo will pay this 10% instant retail bonus immediately directly into your debit card, so you can have it after just a few minutes. That means if a customer you refer purchases any product, say for a total amount of $300, Vyvo will pay you $30 in instant referral commission. How's that for exciting? However, this is just one of the many bonuses available in the wonderful Vyvo Smart Pay plan. In fact, it gets even better when you grow your team. Because as a loyal customer, Vyvo will pay you when your customers refer other customers, and keeps doing that when those customers refer other customers as well. That's just amazing. This will give you the opportunity to succeed by making others succeed. Now that's teamwork and a great way to do business. At Vyvo, it's not just about the earning potential, but also about lifestyle changes. Thus, you will experience the most exciting holidays, business trips, and extraordinary adventures you always dreamed of. You choose what's best for you. You can have a chance of making some additional income from products you love. Or you could get to start an entirely new career that may lead you to completely change and improve your life. With Vyvo, your dreams are at your reach. All you must do is reach out. So what are you waiting for? Join the Vyvo Smart family now.
Okay, so this is just one of the many videos that will be available in the next few days in your back office to help you to promote this amazing proposition, this amazing opportunity. I'm sure in the video you heard something correctly. We are talking about instant payment of commission. So instant pay, it's the brand new initiative of Vyvo to reward our members that sell their first package, sponsor the first people, or make a retail sales. So in this case, the 10% of fast start or the 10% of retail bonus will be credited directly on your debit card or on your Vyvo Pay. So you heard that correctly. Instantly pay on your debit card or your Vyvo Pay. That's to give you an example. You make a meeting, you sell a package, like you see in the video, $300 or $1,000, and you will receive your money instantly on your debit card. So imagine to be sitting with your prospect, making a transaction, and having your watch or your smartphone ringing with a notification say $100 being deposited on your debit card. And then you can get out from the meeting and go to spend this money having a dinner with your loved one. And this is absolutely amazing because we really want to give to our member an experience of rewarding and gratification that is instantly perceived at the moment after the transaction. Okay, so to achieve these amazing features has been possible because of the partnership that we have just established with Hyperwallet, a PayPal service. As you know, in the past few weeks, we are migrating from iPayout to a brand new platform that is Vyvo Pay. So the Vyvo Pay is connected to Hyperwallet, and Hyperwallet, a PayPal service. I guess that everybody know PayPal. Hyperwallet has recently been 100% acquired by PayPal, so it's become an official PayPal company. Is going to provide to us a payment payout solution in over 200 plus countries, and with local clearing in 95 plus countries. Local clearing means that in many, many countries, the members will be able to get their commission on local payment system, local check, local debit cards, even cash. They can go and collect in a MoneyGram or Western Union if they choose to do that. So because of the direct payout option that we will use on the Hyperwallet, we will be able to instantly credit your commission, in this case, the retail bonus and the fast start bonus, directly on your card or any of the payment out method that you saved in your application. You will get, in your back office. You will also get an application on smartphone, iOS and Android, where you will be able to manage all your payout option and live a live experience with your commission. So we believe this is a tremendous news for all the members around the world to have one more selling point to create and start a brand new momentum. The Hyperwallet is currently under integration with our IT platform. So it will take us only a few weeks to complete the integration, and then we will be able to start paying instant commission to all the members. You will be able to order a debit card that will be shipped to you immediately, or you can choose any other payment method that could be the bank or can be a check or whatever other system you want. The good thing is that this payment will be few minutes after you have completed your transaction. So of course now We are almost at the end of the presentation. We want to share to you the price points, the price positioning of the Vyvo opportunity, both for customers and for members. So the first thing is what you're going to receive in the next few days is the smart box, or as you learn at the beginning, the smart kit. So it's a Vyvo smart box. This is something really nice, because a concept sometimes is too abstract, abstract. You talk to people, you say, oh, I get a DNA, biometrics, and then I get an Oracle AI and a nutrition that will come in 1 month. And sometimes this sounds like, oh, this is a nice concept, but the people is used to perceive physical products. Okay, so we have put all together into a box where you will get a DNA sample collection kit where you can swap your saliva, and then you can get your DNA. Then we also give one NutraPack, we call Experience NutraPack, that will support 10 days of supplement. It will be a generic energy supplement that is made only for the scope to let you taste the Easy Melt delivery system, show and demo to people how the NutraPack looks like. But then after the first month of data collection, you will get your first AI report with your NutraPack. So all of these will be $100, and there will be 30 SV with a $10 of fast start. Then the Leggera Smart Scale is pricing at $149. Remember, this is not just a scale. This is a smart IoT scale with BLE connection and numbers of sensors that you can see in the picture that will collect many data from your biometrics. And again, remember, this new biometrics is enabling us to have much more solution for the NutraPack. The Saints will start from 119 with 40 SV and 12 fast start bonus. As you have noticed, the price point are very competitive. And this is another thing that's really unique about this offering. Usually in network marketing, you deal with products that are 6 times, 5 times, even 10 times more expensive than any other product that you can find. I mean, similar product that you can find into the pharmacy store or into, any store or online store. So any networker that work with the traditional MLM company, they have to use a lot of effort to defend the product, explain why it's more expensive, explain and tell the story of why this product is so magic. In this case, we don't have to do any of this. First of all, because the features and the functionality and the look of the product, the quality of the product is so good that it will take you only 5 minutes to tell the people why this product and how this product is positioned. Second thing is competitive. I mean, look at this. Have you ever heard someone ask to someone in a network marketing company, is your product competitive? They say, of course not. It's not competitive because usually it's 10 times more expensive than other products in the market. So this, for the first time, you have a technology product in the MLM space that are competitive. And you know what? We know that this is a big investment from the company, but we want to enable people to be on the NutraPack, to be on the Oracle subscription, because our business model is not about selling one time a technology jewel, but we want to sell, yes, we want to sell the technology products, but we want to get people on the subscription with our amazing plan and loyalty pro plan with the personalized nutrition. The Vista, guys, this is ridiculous. It's positioned at $199. $199 for a piece of technology that has nothing to, less or and have much more than any other competitor that are priced in the same price point, and we still paying 60 SV and $20 of fast start. The Icon is a little bit more expensive because it's a health product. You get the EKG and the bioelectrical impedance analysis, EKG analysis, and 10 days battery life. So it's actually the high range of the line of product, and it's priced at $299 with 90 SV and $30 of fast start. This is just the beginning of a line of product that you will see every 6-8 months a new product coming, new product that will enrich our offering in the wearable technology space. As I mentioned before, the wearable technology, so the smartwatches, will also have an option of a magnetic, beautiful Milanese mesh band kit with the 3 different colors. It will cost $89 with the 3 bands, silver, gold, rose, and total black. Okay, just to give you another comparison, this band is also other company have a similar brand. Also, Apple Watch have a band like this one, and they price at $149 just for one band. Okay, so we are pricing at $89, same quality, same kind of materials, and it's not really something that you have to miss, because I personally love this band, and the first thing I did with my watch is to replace the silicon TPU band with the one of the total black band. So it's a 30SV, $9 of fast start. The DNA wellness and lab fee has been reduced at $199, so from $249 to $199, with a very small reduction in SV, that from 40 SV to 30 SV. Again, the reason is we want to be more competitive. Okay, a word that is very new in network marketing, but you need to start to learn. We are going to be competitive because we want to have more people do a DNA test. We want to have more people on our subscription Loyalty Pro and get the NutraPack. The DNA collection kit, nothing changed. The subscription level, you already know, $59.90 is the version of the Oracle plus the loyalty membership without the nutrition pack, without the NutraPack. If you want to get the NutraPack, you will need to pay $99.90 a month. Of course, the NutraPack now will have the brand new ingredients, the night pack, and then it will be the CBD option that will be available through the AI selection. So guys, the AI will automatically select the CBD in case the Oracle will detect problematics and issues that the Oracle believe can be addressed with the CBD nanotechnology that we are launching. We have created a combo pack. Okay, this has nothing to do with package. Okay, this is reserved to all team members. I mean, a team builder. We know that after this conference, everybody want to buy the watches, and they want to buy for the family. They want to buy for members in the organization that maybe they're not anymore active or wherever. They want to buy a combo of this technology. So we are offering 20% discount with 300 SV and almost $100 of fast start. I think that would be $100 fast start. It's probably an error in the slides. So the combo will be a very boost of SV that we expect to have in the next few hours when we will open the brand new package, where everybody is going to buy a combo. Of course, people will buy one, but everybody will buy a combo of this product because they want to have more than one Vista. Guys, this is a different kind of product. The people want to have that. You will never left any box in the garage or in the storage. You will get people take from your hands, take from your stock this beautiful product. The combo, of course, will be available for Icon too. So the same kind of configuration. And the combo of Icon and also the Icon will be available. Actually, the Vista will be available on 15th of May, and the Icon will be available on June. Okay, so you can still order Icon, but you need to know Icon will be a little bit more time to wait. But the Vista, and we believe Vista should be the first hot selling right now, will be available right away in 15th of May, so only a few weeks away. Okay, so we start from the packages. Okay, what we believe is that the people need to start to be a customer not only with the wearable technology, but together with the Loyalty Pro membership with the personalized experience. So we have created a combo of cents and the smart box with the $20 discount so that you can experience all the power of the AI personalized nutrition. The second one is the first personal pack. Okay, this is the one can enable the business at personal level with a 10% TVC, and is a combo, the same combo of you see before, but this is with Vista. Okay, so the first month of a NutraPack Loyalty Pro subscription, the DNA collection kit, one NutraPack experience, 10 days, and of course the personalized NutraPack every month. And guys, sorry if I go back on the slide, $299. I mean, we are telling you that to start this amazing business, it's only $299 investment with an amazing program. Look at how many products you're getting in this package for $299 with 100 SV and $30 fast start. Then, of course, the same package will be available with Icon. So you can see that it's just $100 more because the product is $100 more expensive. But in this case, we have 135 SV and $40 of fast start. Here's some important news that we want to share today as a part of the Vyvo launch. You will not see anymore the builder package. Okay, and what do we mean for you won't see anymore the builder package is that we think that the customer referral program need to create a culture into our organization that is based on the buy, use, and duplicate. I'm one of the, how to say, the Amway fan, where this kind of culture has created the history of the network marketing, where there was nothing to sell, there is nothing to buy as inventory, there is nothing to put in stock. So I believe that the customer referral program is so revolutionary in the network marketing industry, where the people now purchase online, the people is on the social media, and the people can really reach out prospect and members in a very new and easy way. So we believe that we don't need any more our member to buy stock of products. Okay, you don't need to buy stock of products and then try to retail or just keep in your hand for a long time just because you need to buy that package. We believe that this kind of network marketing is over. We believe that the customer referral program means everybody buy from the company, everybody buy from an online system. And of course, when I say everybody buy from the company, with the sponsor referring it so that the commission are accordingly assigned to the upline, of course. But the principle is we don't want you to load any stock, okay? We don't want you to resell anything. And that is the magic about this business model. And I want you to really understand why our pipeline, our business model is so different from any other network marketing company. It's because you're not going to buy a $1,500 or $2,000 products that you need to retail or you need to try to clear to recover your investment. So we want to stay on the concept of the family pack. Why? There's a 2 watch, 2 subscription, 1 scale, and the 3 bands with the 2 months for you of loyalty membership in addition to your months in the box. So this is for personal consumption. That's why buy, use, duplicate. So what do we want you to do? Buy the product, enjoy the product, like the product, of course, if you like, and then share this with people. Tell to people, why don't you join me? Why don't you use this product? Why don't you buy this product? So what I have to do, go to the website under my link, buy the product or the package, and you do the same thing I did. So this is going to create a perfect duplication, because I'm not asking you to get your stock and go out and sell your stock to recover your investment. None of this today it's any more necessary with the tools of the online sales and the tools of the social media that we have available. So why should I buy products and then I try to resell them when I can just refer people to the website and ask them to buy, so that I don't have to manage inventory, I don't have to ship products, I don't need to support the products, the company will do everything. So that is the magic of the customer referral program, and we want the package to perfectly reflect what is the culture of the company, what is the behavior and the dynamics that we want to create in the organization, rather than having a package that creates different dynamics of what you really want to build in terms of culture. So I'm so excited. I'm really extremely excited about the family pack. The price point, I believe this is as they call the sweet spot for the package to do a business at the high level is below $1,000, $899. You give 300 SV, so big numbers of SV to build your check, and $90 of fast start that it would be instantly pay on the debit card. So guys, this is going to create a big time momentum because it's below $1,000. It's a sweet spot. It creates a dynamic of duplication that is based sincerely on sharing the opportunity and the products with people that want to do what you did. So, and here I need to be very careful, because when I use terms like you don't have to sell or you don't have to get a customer, the people try to mistake my words. I'm saying that you need to get customer and members, but you did it in a smart way, without loading yourself with stock, but referring the customer or the members on the website where the company will take care about shipment, payment, and support. So this is the smart way to run your business without loading any stock, without making any big investment, but at the same time enjoying the product, enjoying the functionality, and sharing with people your experience and your business opportunity. That's so simple. I'm so excited because I believe that for the first time, we have in place a package configuration and business dynamics that can really and truly create an amazing duplication dynamic. The same package is the family with the icon, and it's all the same, 15% discount. There's the icon instead of the Vista, so it's a little bit more expensive. It's for the family, okay? So this is built for family, and that's all. This is our offering in packaging. I think this is really changing your dynamic, changing the speed of your business, starting from tomorrow. I mean tomorrow, next few days, because of the package will be live on 18 for some countries and on 23rd for other countries. So you will get tomorrow or after this conference all the news about the online availability of the new offering and new packages. I want to give also some very good news to everybody, because we want to be really fair to all the people that are running the founder phase for so many months, and they have a trust and belief, and now they will get repaid by this amazing opportunity, and the timing awaited for this opportunity will be very, very, very well repaid. All the people that today have a coupon to buy the BioSense, that now is a sense for $50, okay? All the coupons that buy the BioSense for $50 could be used, if you wish, to buy the Vista, okay? So without any additional charge, you can buy Vista. And with Vista, we will also give you one Milanese band included into the Vista, so that all the discount that you have enjoyed during the purchase of the previous package will be repaid in the same way. I believe much better way, because you will get the Vista for $50, including one Milanese band. So that is good news. Everybody have the coupon already purchased in the previous package. They can spend that coupon to buy the Vista and one band, not all three of them, one band only. So you will choose the color. You will get the Vista smartwatch for $50. So that is an amazing news. The other one is that the founder phase will be extended until 5th of May. You know that the founder phase was ending today, actually tomorrow, yesterday, the 15th of April. And we have decided to extend until 5th of March because we understand that now with the Vyvo launch, the Vyvo proposition and packages, it's when you really have going to have the opportunity to convert your members into founder. And we don't want you to miss this opportunity for the next 2 weeks, where I'm sure, and more than sure, we are going to create a next big wave of momentum for Vyvo. So guys, this is just the beginning. It's just the beginning. It's a brand new launch of the most exciting and most advanced technology-based network marketing offering to the market. Nothing is out there so solid, so big, with a proven track record of a company that in the past 8 years have broken most of the record of this industry. So we are all committed with big energy, big power. We never give up. We are all working like crazy to prepare and put in the market this amazing opportunity. I will not go on over. There are, of course, a lot of news that will be available in the next few days, like the Phuket, Thailand diamond, the first Vyvo diamond trip. This information is already out there, so it will be at the end of June. So I will not go in details because you already got the details about the holiday. And there will be other amazing news about promotion that we're going to launch in the next few days to help you to build this incredible momentum for Vyvo 2019. Guys, I'm really hope that you have perceived my excitement, my passion, my full commitment. I think it's 2 hours and something I'm talking with no stop. And so you can just imagine why this is happening and why this adrenaline and this energy and this amazing motivation that I personally have, we all have together with this amazing opportunity. Now is the time. Now is the time. Everything is in place. Of course, not everything will be perfect for the day one. Not everything will go smooth from the day one. But we are all committed, all the team, the executive team, the new members that are joining the Vyvo family, they're all super committed to make this the next big things in the network marketing industry. So thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for staying connected. I see that the numbers of attendees have never gone down since the beginning of this conference, which is it's really a pleasure and a big honor for me to have not annoyed you for so many hours. So I'm going to close my speech, and I don't know, Davis, if you want to add anything for the closing, I will pass over to you the screen. So thank you very much. Bye. Bye.
Fabio, I have to move over to your computer because I lost the connection on mine. Well, you've said it all. There's nothing more that we can add. I'm certain that all of you will agree with me that we did not exaggerate at all the importance and the significance of this call. I just want to close with one final statement that I did include in the written chat, and that is the distinguished Chief Operating Officer of Facebook, Sheryl Sandberg, when she said, when someone offers you a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat, just get on. Well, you've heard about the Vyvo rocket ship tonight in this call. We're grateful to all of you. Just get on. Don't worry about what seat you're in, and we're taking off right now. It's been great to be with all of you, and we will be giving you a lot of communication through our various social media channels in the coming days. So keep your eyes tuned to those announcements, and we will be talking with all of you again very soon. Thank you again all over the world for joining us, and we will see you soon.
Ciao, everybody.